Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use the 5-axis Swarf Finishing strategy in PowerMill. Before we jump in, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel and leave your comments for me. Alright, let's get started. To apply the Swarf Finishing strategy, the first step is to select our target surface or surfaces. Next, let's open the strategy settings. In this section, we defined which side of the surface needs to be machined. Since our surface is aligned with the z-axis, this option is the correct choice here. Now we will set these two parameters to the 0. After that, make sure to check follow surface laterals. This ensures the tool accurately follows the curvature of the surface edge. Okay, now let me quickly configure the rest of the settings. Great, now let's run the simulation and take a look at the result. But wait, we are not quite done yet. As you can see, the tool motion isn't smooth at all. If you want a full step-by-step breakdown of every single parameter in Swarf Finishing, drop a comment below so I can build a complete deep dive video for you. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to MechMasterAcademy. And let me know in the comments if you find the full breakdown. Don't miss the next video where I will show you exactly how to smooth out this toolpath for perfect machine motion. Thank you for watching and see you there.